Hi, welcome to INEO's channel. Last time, we've talked about the benefits of having a cloud kitchen. On this episode, I would like to share with you guys what are some of the requirements in order to build a cloud kitchen. First of all, if we are planning for restaurants, for example, you have 4 restaurants, we need to know how many meals you're planning to serve per meal or per day. For example, for 4 different restaurants, we need about 1,000 meals per day. So we can build a cloud kitchen based on that. Same-wise, for a bakery project, we also need to plan out how many breads we're planning to make per day, how many biscuits, how many cakes we need to bake per day as well. So according to these factors, we can plan out the equipment for your kitchen. After we get an idea about how many food we need to prepare per day, we can start to calculate how much space do we need for a cloud kitchen. At the designing stage, our designers will estimate a space for you that is required according to your capacity. Next, if you have a space already and if you have the building already finished, then that's great as well. We can immediately start to design your cloud kitchen. During the design process, our designer will be able to provide with you with a full BOQ for our products. So you will know exactly how many items you need. During this time, we'll also provide with you with an estimate cost for the whole project. So you will have a better understanding about how much your cloud kitchen will cost. At INEO, we can provide a full one-stop solution for your cloud kitchen. From the designing stage, to product selection, all the way to product manufacturing, quality check, shipping and installation, even after-sales service. Our after-sales team will also provide a lifetime after-sales service, and for all of our products, we have a warranty time for you as well. If you're interested in planning your cloud kitchen, feel free to contact us. We're here to help. Last but not least, if you would like to see our products and projects in person, we're located in Foshan, China. We're very excited to see you here.